Hello everybody, Strang here. Today, talk about Bubblemaps again. Done a couple of recent videos about Bubblemaps, super bullish about this project. You see on the screen we're just over 9 pence at the moment. Now, this project's perfectly poised, in my opinion, with their analysis they do. They're basically like a one-stop shop. Now, I've done a previous videos, please refer to those. We've gone more in depth exactly on their app and what exactly they do. It basically makes it very, very easy when you're researching projects. They do all the hard work for you, and that's obviously very, very important. And naturally, their token BMT has got a great usage as well, and that's why I'm super bullish on it. See on the screen also that the circulating supply is basically at 35% of all supply out there. Okay, so you've got to think that long term. Tokenomics is good. I do like it. I like the way they're progressing. You can see also on the screen they're ranked 551, and I expect it to climb massively. It's never financial advice. I always state that, do your own research, but I really do like this project. So please, as I say, reference the previous videos. Quite a few people have reached out to me about how to earn BMT. It's not as easy. You can't do it on their app or anything, a site or connecting wallets. You basically have to go on centralized exchanges. Okay, so again, there's a way to do it to get your passive income. Now, I showed the website before. Now, so the point of this video is basically to show people where you can actually earn your BMT. However, I just want to highlight again Bubblemaps.io and how fantastic this project is doing. Take up the habit, just bubble it. So basically, again, it goes really in depth for you. You don't have to do all the research yourself. It tells you all the big holders are, who's moving elsewhere and which wallets are connected. It also goes more in depth. It takes, I'd say, more like 40 seconds, minute max. That's what it takes them to do all the research for you and come up with all the stuff, all the information you need. And also the fact that I've highlighted before, but again, it's really important to sort of show this again. It's backed by all these huge companies, absolutely huge and fantastically poised. Just Sandbox, Avalanche, Polygon, Aptos naturally stick out for you, don't they? But look at Consensus as well and all the others. Absolutely fantastic. So again, I'll put links below for the previous videos. Now, Bubblemaps itself, I get strongly suggest you follow them on X, because what they do is they obviously give regular updates and all that, but also talk about when they go in depth in a project, and they go really in depth and find out exactly what these projects are doing. So big news recently, now live on Tron, which I'd obviously, Toncoin, I really do like that. I think it's a wonderful blockchain, I truly do. And again, they've been highlighting that, but also just goes through all the different projects, okay? And again, stop getting rugged and do your own research better. And they do it all for you, as I say. So it's absolutely fair. I do like this bit. I showed you on that. I'll keep referring to previous videos, but I showed you on that one where it's all, you see the wallets were linked, where basically you have a wallet and it shows all the wallets that are connected where they send different tokens to. So again, it gives you insight into how projects work and how they sort of, sometimes you might get a holder's got a lot, but he's actually paying the rest of the team and all the treasury and all that sort of stuff. So again, it's really interesting and they make it so easy as well, which I really do like. Now, the point of this video is to show we can basically earn. Now, obviously, you can go on CoinMarketCap and hit here yield. Now, unfortunately, here in the UK, we have many, many restrictions. I always state the FCA have really ruined crypto, in my opinion. I see a recent post that obviously here in the UK, we've got a party called Reform. Okay, and they're actually leading the basic charts at the moment, obviously, because the current government's not very popular. Now, what they're saying is they want, the leader has already stated that he wants to make crypto in the UK completely acceptable to everyone. They want to take crypto to the next level, a bit like what Trump did in America. They basically want to make crypto very easy and take it to the next level, so Britain doesn't get left behind. So again, that was quite bullish. However, we've got to wait a long time for another general election. So in the meantime, we've got these massive restrictions which are really hurting us badly, in my opinion. Now, the Bubblemaps yield you can see on here: Binance, Bybit, Gate, Kucoin. Gate, Bybit are basically outside the UK market. They left. They're not interested. Gate, as I showed before, Gate used to be a real favourite exchange of mine, but after what the FCA did, they basically just ruined the dashboard. There's nothing on there now, so you can't really do anything with Gate. Now, Binance, again, when you go on the Binance site and you look into the earnings, please be informed that certain services offered on this platform are not accessible to retail clients based in the UK. Our commitment to regulatory compliance means that certain offerings are reserved exclusively for UK professional clients. So basically, we can't do that. I don't even have a referral link for Binance anymore. That's how much they're restricted. And also, Gate, as I say, it's such a huge shame. You know, you get on these great exchanges, they've got the low-cap gems, and it's just pulled for money because the FCA here in the UK put these stupid restrictions. It's so damn annoying. Now, the only one that I can see here in the UK to stake can actually earn some BMT is Kucoin. Again, I don't have a referral link because, again, Kucoin, you can actually see on the screen there, the dashboard is still relevant, it's still a lot there. However, they've obviously still put the restrictions in, okay, which again is extremely disappointing. However, Kucoin, you can at least earn it. It's just about a savings. It's not a huge amount, but basically looking at 4%. It's better than nothing, so better than you get in a bank here, but it's obviously not a huge amount. Now, Binance, when you go back to So when you go back to CoinMarketCap, you can see there the actual APY is actually really solid. So Binance would be naturally your first stop shop, but to earn some passive income. However, if you're not in the UK, then obviously you're doing fine. Here in the UK, I say these ridiculous restrictions, which are absolutely killing us, let's be honest. So I'm hoping they'll go on to more exchanges, ones I spoke about here before. And I think the fact that here in the UK we have these restrictions, so if we can get KU coin and to increase the APY, I think you actually get a lot more interest. I still think 4% is okay. It's good. It's better than nothing, isn't it? It's better than your BMT just sat in a wallet doing nothing. So you do have that side of it. However, it'd be nice if we could get the kind of percentages that Binance are offering. That'd be absolutely fantastic. So just want to highlight it. I do believe in this project. I will do some more videos on Bubblemaps as they develop, as the year progresses. And I really do believe that. So please do me a favor. I've let myself down really much doing enough videos here on YouTube because I've been so busy elsewhere. But so please hit the like, please subscribe, please comment, hit the bell for notification. I really would appreciate that. I need to get my algorithm back up. It's my own fault, as I say. So thanks very much. Come join us in our Telegram group, Facebook group. We have many ways we can interact. Help any way I can. So thanks very much. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.